Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you from its new time slot of 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the video. And let's get into this. This is a Pimento Grilled Cheese Sandwich. In the mixing bowl, I have 2 ounces of cream cheese, followed by 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Okay, and now we're going to add 4 ounces of freshly shredded cheddar, 4 ounces of pepper jack. And then you want to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then you want to add a teaspoon of hot sauce. I decided to go with sriracha. You also want to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. And then 2 ounces of pimentos that have been diced. Then, of course, salt and pepper. And then some chopped up green onions. You want about what you'd get if you took 2 stalks from the bunch and chopped them up. And then you just want to turn on the mixer and let this go till everything is combined. All right, let's make a sandwich. And you should be looking at something a little bit like this when it's all done. Okay, to make our sandwiches, we start with mayonnaising one side of our bread. And then you want to add some of our pimento cheese mix. Make the layer as thick as you want. And then you want to add some strips of bacon to this. I added 3 because bacon makes everything better. And then you want to top it with the mayonnaised piece of bread. Repeat this process for the other 2. And I forget how many sandwiches you can get out of this. And then basically in the background, I have a griddle heating to about medium heat. And we're going to flip the mayonnaise side down on the griddle and then mayonnaise the the bread that is currently face down, getting all this crap added to it. All right, next step. All right, as you can see here, we've got our sandwiches griddling away. Give them a couple more minutes, and they should be done. You just want to go till they're nice and golden brown. All right. Time just to give this sandwich a little cut so I can show you guys the cross section. And that's it. A pimento grilled cheese sandwich. Done.